Even
I'm pretty sure they rushed him lang po sa
The
ambulance.
only one I heard that had pulse po was Divine po.
he had a pulse
Divine, yes po.
on the beach. He had a pulse.
Paano niya nalaman may pulse? Okay. Pio Ontiveros should be asking about, kasi kung paano man nalaman? I mean, speechless ako dun. This is actually a new revelation. May pulse si Divine na mas matagal na nahanap. Okay? Kesa kay Rene. Nahanap si Divine 10 to 15 minutes after ma-recover yung body ni Rene. At 3:45 p.m. Hindi kasi nagtatanong itong si Kwan eh. Itong si Pio Ontiveros. Hindi niya alam yung timeline. So pag may pulse, paano mo alam na may pulse?
And then they put him in the ambulance and brought him to the
It wasn't an ambulance.
Ah,
It was
police car.
police vehicle.
Yes
Yeah.
po.
Why?
Okay.
Why police vehicle?
Okay. So yung sinasabing
Kasi police vehicle kasi nga nauna nang tinakbo si Divine. Kasi siya yung naunang na-recover. Hindi naman sila sabay.
She did explain it na she said na to stop muna para madala sa ambulansya kasi unstable. So nakita niyo yun, pinastop like you said.
Yes,
Tapos
po.
niload na si Rene sa ambulance.
Opo.
Tapos yung
Dito sa interview to ni Pio Ontiveros, parang pag pinapanood mo siya, parang ang bilis ng pangyayari. Hindi na include yung factor dito na 50 minutes nang malunod itong si Divine sa si Rene. Unang na-recover si Rene, 50 minutes. Nalunod si Rene, 2:40, 50 minutes after that, na-recover yung body niya, 3:30. Hindi niya include dito, which makes you think na parang ang bilis ng pangyayari na parang nalunod, na-save ka agad. Hindi ganun yun.
Divine naman, like you said, may pulse. How do you know na may pulse siya?
Yeah.
Sa beach.
I heard
Ang tagal kasi magtanong ni Pia eh.
from my other teammates po nung kasi po after what happened, we were gathering in the pool po, and then we shared our perspectives, like POV of the kung ano nangyari po.
And then yung pagdala
Hindi, I'm not satisfied yung sagot ni Sam Reyes. Paano mo alam? Ang sagot niya is dodging. He dodged the question.
sa ospital, hindi na kayo kasama. None of the team, coaches.
Coaches po.
The coach,
Yeah, pretty sure.
the one that went with Rene po was our ball boy po, Kuya Boy. And then wala pong sumama kay Divine kasi po may representative na po doon sa hospital.